When it comes to automating sales tax, both Avalara and TaxJar are solid options for US and Canadian merchants. The question is, which one is the better fit for your business? Both offer robust tools to simplify the process, but they differ in scale, features, and pricing. Let's break down the key differences to help you decide which platform will best streamline your sales tax. Avalara is built for businesses with more complex tax situations, including those operating internationally. It supports thousands of jurisdictions and handles not only sales tax, but also VAT and GST. Its AvaTax tool calculates taxes instantly, and it offers features like exemption certificate management and business license tracking. This makes Avalara a solid choice if your business sells across multiple regions or needs a full suite of compliance tools. TaxJar is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses that want an easy and reliable way to handle sales tax. It calculates taxes in real time and works smoothly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon. AutoFile can automatically submit your tax returns, saving time and reducing errors. The interface is straightforward, and the learning curve is minimal, making it perfect if you want a solution that just works without a lot of setup. In the end, if you want simplicity and affordability, TaxJar is a strong option. If your business is larger, sells internationally, or requires detailed compliance features, Avalara is the better fit. Both platforms can save time and reduce stress, but the best choice depends on your business size, selling channels, and how much automation you need.